Hello guys, I use my phone Samsung Galaxy A20S. This version 3GB RAM memory and 32GB Intel memory. Start unpacking. Device in the blue color. Okay. In complementation we have adapter for charging, USB Type-C cable and key for SIM slot. That's all complementation. Okay, talk about the phone. Phone made of plastic. On the back side triple camera LED and fingerprint scanner. On the front side 6.5-inch display and front camera. On the left side volume keys and slot for 2 SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On the right side power key. Downside USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone and jack for headphones. Turn on device. TFT matrix. HD resolution, display, open settings, about phone, Android 9, One UI 1.1, okay, and now open test Geekbench 5. Talk about system information. CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 450. This octa-core processor, CPU speed 1.8 GHz, GPU Adreno 506, resolution display PPA, and look results, CPU test results, and GPU test results. Okay, close this. Open next test, AnTuTu benchmark, device support 10 touches, and this AnTuTu benchmark score. Okay, close. Open next test, game test, open Guitar San Andreas, look how Guitar San Andreas work on the device. Okay, graphic level max, and start game. Okay, game load and works good on this graphic level without lags and glitches. Okay. Close Guitar San Andreas and talk about camera. We have triple main camera, 13 plus 8 plus 5 megapixels, front camera 8 megapixels, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.